Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Udemy business account in 2025 step by step. Whether you are a team leader, HR manager, or business owner, this guide will get you set up in just a few minutes. First of all, go to business.udemy.com. Now, click on Get Started. This is Udemy's dedicated platform from teams and organizations who want to upskill their employees using online courses. Udemy, Udemy Business offers two plans: Team plan for 5 to 20 users, Enterprise plan for 21 plus users with advanced tools and custom pricing. For this video, we will choose the team plan. Go to plan section, then click team plan. Now scroll down and click on start free trial if you want to try it before paying. Otherwise, click buy now. You will be asked to enter your business email address, then first and last name, job title, phone number, company name, number of people to train, etc. Next, you will create your admin account. This is the person who manages the team. Just enter your name, first and last name, working email. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary email. So paste here and job title like video editing and enter phone number and click start free trial. If you are subscribing directly, enter your payment information. Go to plan section, scroll down and click buy now. And again, enter your email, phone number, name, job title, company password, etc. Then click buy team plan. Enter your payment information for trials. You might still need to provide billing details before, but won't be charged until the trial ends. Once your account is ready, you can start inviting your team members by email. They will get an invitation link to join your organization's Udemy dashboard. From the dashboard, you can assign courses, track learning process, and explore over 25,000 top-rated business and tech courses. You can even set learning paths and goals. So that's it. Your Udemy business account is now ready to empower your team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.